Hey everyone, it's Zachus here. Ever wonder what goes on behind the scenes of YouTube's biggest creators? Today we're diving deep into the world of a content creation with a peek into the life of one of the most influential figures in online media, MrBeast. From humble beginnings to Forbes list of from, From humble beginnings to Forbes' list of top earners, Jimmy Donaldson, aka MrBeast, has turned his passion for YouTube into a sprawling empire of businesses, charities, and jaw-dropping videos that captivate billions. Millions of people with billions of views. Imagine earning $96,000 a month, racking up 157 million views just on a side channel. It's mind-blowing, right? But it's not just about the numbers. It's about the dedication and creativity that Jimmy brings to every project. Whether it's launching Beast Burgers or chocolate or organizing massive charity campaigns like Tea Trees, Jimmy's journey is proof with passion and persistence. Anyone can turn their YouTube channel into a thriving business. He started small, just like many of us, and grew by investing in his team, his ideas, and his community. He is one of the biggest givers on the planet. It is a beautiful thing. The secret sauce to MrBeast's content strategy is high stakes challenges, charity, and giving back integration, consistency, and collaboration. But don't worry, your channel doesn't have to be a replica. It can be about anything you're passionate about. You just need to help other people learn, be entertained, and elevated in whatever you are passionate about, because there's other people that are passionate about the same thing and want to hear more about that and grow in that. Are you ready to be free? I mean, really free. Quit your job and go live the life you've always dreamed of. I'll be honest, it's not always easy at first, and it will require a little bit of effort, but it's worth it. Why? Because in a short period of time, there will be less and less work and more time to do the things you love. Plus, you get to help people, which is always a win-win. I can help you find your niche, invest in quality content, and engage your audience and monetize quickly and wisely. Learning the things not to do is the biggest hurdle to accelerating your channel into making money quickly. Now, let's talk about YouTube mastery. If you're like me, dreaming of making a living doing what you love on YouTube, or just having passive income where you don't have to work a 9 to 5 job and you can make money while you're at the beach or you're asleep, which is the smartest way to make money, this course is your ticket to success. It's a course I took. It's a course many people have taken. You can do online Google reviews. It is outstanding. It's packed with insider tips, strategies, and practical advice to help you grow your channel, engage your audience, and monetize your content effectively. And hey, if you don't want to be on camera, that's fine. I don't want to be on camera all the time either. There's strategies for non-camera videos. Haven't edited before? He walks you through how to edit or how to hire the right person for a low cost to do the editing for your videos. Anything you're worried about, he steps you through step by step. And there's an exclusive private group you'll become a member of that they give you live support so you can ask questions and have that community around you and the support of him and his team to get you across that finish line to freedom. Are you ready to change your life? Are you ready to work smarter, not harder? Today is the day, my friend. Do not delay a second longer. It's time to take action. I wish to God I had done this faster and sooner. I just didn't know what I know now. And if I just had this course, I would have jumped to the front of the line so much faster and found the freedom that I have now. Whether you're just starting out or looking to take your channel to the next level, This YouTube mastery course has everything you need. The link is in the description below or in the pinned comments below if that's easier for you. And remember, at the end of the day, it's not just about the numbers or the success. It's about your journey and the impact you make in this world. I have tons of videos coming to help you and your journey to freedom. I love you and I'm rooting for you. Please subscribe if you found this valuable, and thanks for watching. I hope you have a great day, and I hope you find your freedom. That's what I'm praying for.